dirty hell, yeah, nigga, I'm blue pill. Pull up on a nigga, 2 poles, yeah, do it will. If I did what you did to me, how would you feel?
Mwah. Ma, come here. Mwah. Mwah. Oh my god.
Oh.
No. Holy shit. My mind. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. He's tier 3. He's tier 3. Oh shit. Blind him, please. Are you mad, nigga? Be honest. Are you mad, nigga?
Dude, I tickled his gooch.
I know. Oh.
Hey. What's going on here?
Me bumba.
I'm just gonna stare at him. Fucking horror. He's tickling his gooch.
He just stuck it in his gooch. Mwah. Triple back carry. Oh, quadruple back Contavious.
Theory.
Come on.
We're about to get into that gym.
Yeah, that hatchet is high in the air for me. Just put it down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Oh, what's up, guys? Yo.
Oh, shit. Oh, swing through it, baby. Nice vault, Nick. Oh, fuck. Yeah, watch. I'm about to bait. Dumbass, you're a fake demon!
Can see him through the windows. Yeah, when he goes in rage mode, it's fucking over. You get. Why is my replay off? Oh my god.
First ever CJ Tech. Bitch, where you think you picking up, bro? I can't see you. Fuck are you talking about?
I'm dead, but I just did something crazy.
Oh. He's not gonna double back. Fake vault.
Dude, I can't see anything.
Blind him. Run away. Go inside. And just like that, I'm gone. No, I'm not gone, actually. That never happened. This is the worst pallet in the whole game. And I somehow still hit him with it. Nice. Hold your blind spots. You just triple backed on me. He swings through because he's a goat. Blind him and run up to this godly pallet right here. We're gonna leave it because I'm gonna roll it down.
Alright, can y'all hear me?
Is he done with me? It's chasing.
Nah, Nancy's got us. Nancy's got us.
Okay.
I'll get her.
He definitely pulled up on my ass.
Oh, no.
Holy shit, this nigga just goes rid the whip.
Don't worry, he's running for me.
Okay, priest.
Should I take him?
Killer you are.
Dude, please don't throw a pallet on me, like actually.
This is insanity. Did you take him? Oh, you're the.
Yep.
Oh my god, you're the best. Okay, he's pulling up. Sorry about it, boss.
Why is Nancy not on the gym? That's what I'm wondering.
Oh, you're a goat for swinging through that. Oh my god, please say this room has a pallet. It does.
We use like almost all the pallets up here, by the way.
Oh my god, I'm ruining this kid. Alright, I have no weapons. I have no weapons.
I have no weapons.
I don't have weapons.
Go pick me up.
Ah, clams. Ah, another one for you.
Another one for the round. God damn, you got a beam on that thing. I'm just gonna get out of here.
Fuck.
Look at the pile of cars over here.
This bitch thinks she's crazy and she's not. Bro, bitch, you're on crack.
Oh my god. Still going
Dude,
over
I'm
here.
cooked. There's no way. Dude, I need to sprint burst my way out of this one.
She's coming, by the way. And she fell.
I feel like
I
he's
need more
cutting- I feel
liquor.
like he's cutting some corners to get to me, bro. Going in there.
Nipple twisty.
Titty twister. I feel like he's gonna. I feel like he's fake AFK, dude. I really do.
Dude, he's not making this shit.
Oh my god, he's back.
Yo, someone should risk their life for me right now.
Amazing how angry these
I like my hoes ball, I love our ball. I like my hoes ball, I love LeBron James. Puss that boy gon' die, if he wants to gon' game. Run down the west, your love for nigga chain. Buy nigga snatch in your brain. Why don't chop on Psycho Bay? I get high like Kurt Cobain.